It's finally here for us in studio, the Huawei MatePad paper. This is Huawei's first attempt at e-paper, or e-ink in general, and it is a 10.3-inch screen, and it's powered by Harmony OS, so it's not Android, it's not Linux, it's its own kind of operating system. This one has 128 gigs onboard storage and 6 gigs of RAM. It also has a pen installed in the box as well. We will have to see what kind of pen, if it's using Wacom, if it's using EMR, if it's using something completely proprietary. Let's crack it open and check it out. It seems to have kind of a tier system to it, so we'll go ahead and take off the outer part first. And we have, okay, yeah, it looks like there's some sort of case in here, so let's check this out first, shall we? The individual boxes are not sealed, it seems. So here is a case. Wow, that is a waft of glue, basically. You get that kind of new car smell with this thing. Yeah, absolutely. Okay, this is a very nice high quality case. It is a little bit malleable, it's not too stiff, and it does seem to have this metal clasp that has a great deal of heft to it with a bunch of magnets as well. So let's crack this open and see how this sits in there. So I think it just sits in with magnets. There's no glue strip or anything like that you have to take off, and there's no corner clasps or band of any kind. So we'll have to see how that seats in when we crack this open. Now for the box itself, the cardstock is quite thick. The inside is finished, but no other design or real materials inserted in there like a foam panel or anything like that. We're going to go ahead and put the unit off to the side for now. Looking at the rest of the box here, you know, this pen actually looks a lot like the TCL pen in that it is a tip that doesn't resemble a Wacom tip. It more resembles a kind of resistive touch like a Nintendo DS or a signature panel, but it isn't using a resistive touch. So that's going to be very interesting to see how that works. We have the wall port inside here as well. Depending on where you order this from, you're going to get a different wall port. So this one is the US, American, Canadian, and Japanese wall port. You'll see it is a single 2-prong setup with no ground. And we should have everything else inside here. And it looks like we have some sort of replacement tips as well. So cracking this open, we have one replacement tip. We'll have to kind of get into that during the whole review. You have all your documentation, and you have another replacement tip. You have 2 replacement tips, and you have a USB-C cable. Now it almost looks like there was some sort of SIM removal tool pin in here, but it seems to have either gotten lost or the box was just a placeholder for such thing, because I don't see it anywhere in the box itself unless we're missing something, because there should be some sort of SIM removal tool where that should sit, is what it looks like. Now for the pad itself. Okay, the back has a very nice texture to it. It is a leather back. Oh wow, okay. I've never seen that ever. It is built into the actual device body itself, and it wraps around to the front bezel. That is the most interesting back panel feel I've ever felt. It has an initial immediate bezel here, but then it adds that kind of ledger side to the very far left, and that is a very nice feel. Now that I hold it a little bit longer, it gives you the impression that you're actually holding a notepad rather than an electronic device, because every part of where you hold this is very much just this natural feel. And as we promised, we're going to throw it in the case real quick here. So you pop open the magnet, open it like that, set it inside. Okay, yeah, it seats itself automatically with magnets, so you can't actually move it around, and it hangs on pretty tight actually. And then you close it like that, so that's how it seats in with the case. So that is a very nice looking unit right out of the gates. You have a really cool backing with an embossed Huawei mirror finish logo. You have a single speaker on the bottom, we hope, and a single speaker on the side, so dual speaker. It looks like you have a 3 microphone setup, unless one of them is some sort of hard reset. We will do a full review on this, of course. And you have a power button on the side and a USB-C at the bottom. This thing is looking extremely nice. This thing is kind of turning heads in the industry right now, whether you're in the e-paper scope or just the general electronic world yourself. This is making big waves in the world. So we are going to do a full review on this. For now, this is everything that comes in the box with the MatePad paper by Huawei. Stay tuned for a full review, and for now, for GoodyReader.com, this is Peter.